हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 72 रन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से। ये हमारा चैप्टर 11 है, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। एक्सरसाइज है कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग सिंपल सेंटेंसेस टू कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस। आपको सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करना है। पहला है हियरिंग देयर फादर्स फुटस्टेप्स द बॉय रैन अवे। तो इसका आंसर होगा The boys heard their father's footsteps and ran away. With a great effort, he lifted the box. He put forth a great effort and lifted the box. The man, being very hungry, ate too much. The man was very hungry and so ate too much. In spite of his great strength, he was overcome. He was very strong, yet he was overcome. Against the wishes of his family, he left school. He left school, and this was against his family wishes. Or you can write another sentence. His family did not like him to leave school, but he did. He was universally respected on account of his virtue. He was virtuous and was therefore universally respected. His friend having helped him, he is prospering. His friend has helped him and so he is prospering. Being a cripple, he cannot ride a horse. He is a cripple and therefore cannot ride a horse. The rain having washed away the embankment, the train was wrecked. The rain washed away the embankment and therefore the train was wrecked. Finding himself in difficulty, he went to his teacher for help. He found himself in difficulty and went to his teacher for help. My friend being now in Mumbai, I shall go there to meet him. My friend is now in Mumbai and I shall go there to meet him. In the event of such a thing happening, I should take long leave. Let such a thing happen and then I should take long leave. They are forbidden to enter the sacred place on the pain of death. They are forbidden to enter the sacred place and disobedience is punished with death. To make certain of getting a place, you must apply early. You must apply early or you cannot be certain of getting a place. He intends to try again, notwithstanding his repeated failures. He has failed repeatedly, yet he intends to try again. In spite of all my advice, he has done this foolish thing. I have given him my advice, yet he has done this foolish thing. By reason of his great ability, he has been able to win a high position. He has great ability and therefore he has been able to win a high position. Through no fault of his own, he has become very poor. He has become very poor, but it is not through any fault of his own. Knowing no better, he used very inaccurate language. He used very inaccurate language, for he knew no better. His swords having broken was left defenseless. His sword broke and he was left defenseless. He was rejected owing to ill health. His health was bad and so he was rejected. I do not like him on account of his pride and boastfulness. He is proud and boastful and therefore I do not like him. To avoid punishment, he ran away. He wanted avoid punishment and so he ran away. In his ignorance, he followed the wrong course. He was ignorant and therefore followed the wrong course. Having made no provision for old age, he is very poor. He has made no provision for old age, and so he is poor. Out of a desire for revenge, he agreed to this. He had a desire for revenge, and so he agreed to this. To add to their troubles, a tire burst on the way. A tire burst on the way, and this added to their troubles. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 72। अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।